A few years ago, every morning, I stood in front of my mirror, feeling the weight of financial stress and uncertainty. I knew there had to be a way to break free from this cycle and create the life of abundance I longed for. Then, I discovered the transformative teachings of Neville Goddard and the power of the mirror technique. This simple yet profound practice changed everything for me. Today, I will share with you how to use the mirror technique to manifest money and abundance in your life. These are not just ideas, they are powerful, tested methods that have transformed my reality, and they can do the same for you. Keep watching this video because you must understand how the technique works so you can use it perfectly. This technique works super fast and it's easy. Before we get started, subscribe to our channel so you can stay tuned. Now let's get started. Neville's core belief was that our imagination is the ultimate tool for creating our reality. He taught that by vividly imagining our desired outcomes and assuming the feeling of their fulfillment, we could manifest anything we wanted. His famous phrase, "assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled," encapsulates this idea. According to Neville, our outer world is a direct reflection of our inner state, and by changing our inner state through imagination and feeling, we can change our outer circumstances. The mirror technique is one of the practical applications of Neville's teachings. This technique involves using a mirror as a tool to focus your intentions and align your subconscious mind with your desires. By looking into the mirror and engaging in specific practices such as visualization, affirmations, and emotional engagement, you can create a powerful feedback loop that reinforces your desired reality. Neville Goddard emphasized that the subconscious mind is the creative power behind all manifestations. It operates based on the beliefs, feelings, and images we impress upon it. The subconscious mind does not differentiate between what is real and what is imagined. It accepts whatever is consistently fed to it and works to bring those beliefs and images into physical reality. When I first stumbled upon Neville Goddard's teachings, I was skeptical. My financial situation was dire, and I was desperate for a solution. I had heard about various manifestation techniques, but never gave them much thought. However, the mirror technique caught my attention due to its simplicity and practicality. Deciding I had nothing to lose, I committed to giving it a try. I began my journey with the mirror technique by setting aside 10 minutes each morning and evening. Standing in front of the mirror, I visualized myself living a life of financial abundance. I saw myself paying off debts, enjoying vacations, and living without the constant stress of money worries. At first, it felt awkward, and I struggled to believe the affirmations I was speaking, but I persisted. Gradually, I noticed subtle changes. My mindset began to shift. The affirmations, which initially felt forced, started to resonate with me. I could feel a growing sense of confidence and hope. It was as if a veil of doubt and fear was slowly lifting. Within a few weeks, opportunities that I hadn't noticed before began to present themselves. I received unexpected freelance work, a small investment paid off, and I found myself more motivated to pursue new financial ventures. By using the mirror technique, you are directly communicating with your subconscious mind, bypassing any conscious resistance or doubts. The mirror acts as a conduit, reflecting your desires back to you and reinforcing them in your subconscious. The subconscious mind is a powerful entity that controls about 95% of our daily activities, thoughts, and behaviors. It stores all our memories, experiences, beliefs, and emotions from birth, and, according to some beliefs, even before. Unlike the conscious mind, which is logical and analytical, the subconscious mind is more receptive to suggestions, especially those delivered with emotion and repetition. Neville Goddard taught that whatever we consciously impress upon our subconscious mind through our thoughts, feelings, and imaginations will eventually manifest in our reality. This is because the subconscious mind is responsible for creating our external world. When you visualize your financial goals and feel the emotions associated with achieving them, you are sending a powerful message to your subconscious mind that these experiences are real and achievable. The mirror technique leverages this understanding by providing a focused and intentional way to communicate with the subconscious mind. Now let's get to the exact steps of the technique. But before that, since we are talking about how our thoughts and feelings can change everything, let's take advantage of this moment and send a positive, high vibrational message to the universe showing that we are ready to receive. Let's affirm and write this down in the comment section. I am worthy of all the good this life offers. Now, let's get back to the exact technique. Start by preparing your space. Find a quiet, comfortable spot where you won't be disturbed. The atmosphere matters, so dim the lights or light a candle if it helps you relax. This practice is most effective either first thing in the morning when your mind is fresh or at night, just before bed when your subconscious is most receptive. Once you're ready, stand or sit in front of a mirror, ensuring you can see your entire face. This is where the magic happens, where you'll connect with your subconscious mind directly. Begin by centering yourself. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold it for a few seconds, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this until you feel calm and focused. Visualize a golden light surrounding you, representing the wealth and abundance you're about to attract. This step is crucial as it prepares your mind and sets a positive intention. Now, with your eyes open, look directly into the mirror. Visualize your desired financial situation as vividly as possible. See yourself living a life of financial freedom, whether it's holding stacks of money, viewing a positive bank statement, or enjoying a luxurious lifestyle. Make this image detailed and realistic. Engage all your senses. Feel the money in your hands. Hear the sound of your bank statement printing. Smell the new car or home, and taste the celebratory meal. The more vivid your visualization, the more powerful it becomes. Next, it's time to speak your affirmations. Look deeply into your own eyes in the mirror and say your affirmations out loud. Use powerful, present tense statements like, "I am wealthy and financially free. Money flows to me easily and effortlessly," or "I am a magnet for financial abundance." Speak these affirmations with conviction and truly believe in them. This direct eye contact creates a strong connection with your subconscious mind, reinforcing these positive beliefs. As you say your affirmations, engage your emotions. Feel the joy, relief, and gratitude of having all your financial needs met. Experience the excitement of living a life of abundance. Emotions are the language of the subconscious mind, and feeling these emotions makes your affirmations much more effective. Let these positive feelings wash over you, amplifying the energy you're sending out. Consistency is key. Make this practice a daily habit. Dedicate at least 5 to 10 minutes each morning and evening to the mirror technique. The more you practice, the stronger the impressions you make on your subconscious mind. This consistent reinforcement helps replace any limiting beliefs with empowering ones, paving the way for your financial goals to manifest. After your mirror session, go about your day with the confidence that your financial abundance is on its way. Let go of any attachment to how and when it will happen. Trust the process and your own power to create your reality. Understand that the universe works in its own time and way. Release any need to control the outcome or timing, and maintain faith that the universe is aligning circumstances and opportunities to bring your desires to fruition. To enhance the effectiveness of the mirror technique, consider incorporating additional practices. Keep a gratitude journal and write down things you're grateful for each day. Gratitude raises your vibration and aligns you with the energy of abundance. Create a vision board with images and words representing your financial goals, placing it where you can see it daily to reinforce your intentions. Meditation can also be a powerful complement to this practice, calming your mind and enhancing your connection with your subconscious. Guided meditations for abundance can be particularly effective. I can personally attest to the transformative power of the mirror technique. When I first began, it felt awkward and forced, but I persisted. Within a few weeks, my mindset shifted. I became more confident and hopeful. Opportunities I hadn't noticed before started to present themselves. Unexpected freelance work, small investments paying off, and a newfound motivation to pursue financial ventures. The mirror technique also transformed my overall outlook on life. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by financial challenges, I started seeing them as temporary hurdles. This shift in perspective was empowering, instilling in me a sense of control and possibility. The most significant change was internal. I rebuilt my self-worth and belief in my ability to create a prosperous life. Every day, as I looked into the mirror and affirmed my financial success, I could feel my mindset evolving from scarcity to abundance. Today, my financial situation has improved dramatically. The mirror technique remains a cornerstone of my manifestation routine, constantly reinforcing my financial goals. This method isn't just a hopeful practice, it's a proven strategy to reprogram your subconscious and manifest financial prosperity. By embracing this technique, you too can transform your financial reality. It's not about wishing for wealth, it's about believing you deserve it and can achieve it. Start today and witness the transformative power of the mirror technique in your financial life. Remember, the key lies in your belief consistency, and emotional engagement. Your financial transformation is just a reflection away, waiting for you to claim it with unwavering confidence and conviction. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.